If you want to learn exactly how I was able to generate $1,533.40 in one single day online, this video is for you. Now you can see on the screen right here that this was actually a screenshot of an email that reveals that I was able to generate this amount of money. You can see these arrows here, okay, maybe a little bit blurry, but the date was the 16th of July, okay? So a few days ago, I was able to receive this money. And in this video, I'm gonna break down the exact method that anyone can use. It doesn't matter your background, doesn't matter your experience level, it doesn't matter your age, it doesn't matter if you don't have a following online. If you can follow simple step-by-step instructions and you have a Wi-Fi connection, there's no reason why you can't do exactly what I'm doing. Now, real quick, I wanna apologize about the lighting. I'm actually coming from an Airbnb in Medellin, Colombia. I actually arrived here about 3 weeks ago. I've been exploring. I absolutely love it. And while I'm able to go out, hang out with friends, check out the beautiful scenery here, I'm still able to generate income. So without further ado, let me dive into the method right now. Now, what this method entails is basically leveraging a done-for-you online system that has the products, the website, the follow-up emails, all of that done for you. And the only thing you have to do is get eyeballs and people to click your link, okay? Now, how do you do that? Well, I'm gonna share with you the exact method that I use as well in this video on how I get tons of people on a daily basis, even on autopilot, even while I'm sleeping, to click the link and go to my website, okay? So, but without further ado, what system am I referring, okay? Well, if you've seen some of my other videos, it's called the multiple income funnel. Now, the reason I love this system and this funnel is because, again, 99% of the work is done for you, right? Unlike other things online, you have to craft your own follow-up emails. You have to come up with your own capture pages and buy funnel software and go through all this effort. And maybe you're not good at sales. Maybe you've struggled online for a long time. You've invested your hard-earned money, time, and effort into things that promise the world and they never actually deliver. The reason so many people from around the world have been able to plug into this proven system, quit their job that they hate, go full-time from home, and do the things they love to do with the people they love doing it with is simply because it works. It's a high-converting system that's designed to take your prospect, that person, from hitting your website, okay, that they give you access to, your own done-for-you website, all the way through getting followed up with, getting sold, and then getting upsold into higher levels so you can generate income. And the income I shared with you in the very beginning of this video was just from one of the 4 main income streams, okay? That's not even from all the income streams. That's just one of them that I received, okay? So how exactly does this work? Well, there's gonna be a link directly below this video. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, maybe you're already under me inside a multiple income funnel. I highly urge that you log in right now and you continue setting up the different income streams, because this is where the magic actually happens. You can see these different 4 steps, okay? It's very, very simple. I've done a lot of videos going through more information, but I wanted to do this video more as an update. A lot of people have been messaging me, Garrett, I haven't seen you post a video in a while. What have you been up to? Are you still doing online marketing? Are you still doing the multiple income funnel? The answer to all these questions is yes. The reason I haven't been doing videos is simply because the system's automated. Sometimes people message me and they say, Garrett, can you get on the phone? Can you do this? And I'm like, I can send you a message, right? I mean, the beautiful thing about this business is that it's all autopilot, right? You're not going to have to get on the phone with prospects. You're not going to have to talk to your friends and family and bother them. You're not going to have long, drawn out, boring, repetitive conversations, especially if you're watching this video very closely right now. And maybe you're introverted. Like me, I'm a very introverted person. I like my space. I don't like, having repetitive conversations. It's draining for me. So that's why I personally was gravitated towards this business model, because again, all you have to do when you go to the link below, you sign up, okay? And once you're in your back office, you just go to links, right? You go here, okay? It opens up this page, and then you just take one of these 3 capture pages, okay? Capture page 1, 2, or 3, and you just get your link, okay? So this is my personal link. You would get your own link, and you just get as many darn people to see this as possible. Now, what happens is when someone hits your website, because it's coded to you, when they click this button, they put their name and email, and they watch that video, when they decide to buy, when they see that highly converting video where most people who watch this video very, very closely. They feel that strong desire to get started. They feel that strong desire to make a decision and join. When they pull out their credit card and buy today, you're going to be able to generate commissions, okay? And the cool thing is, even the follow-up emails that start going out to this person when they put their email in, those follow-up emails are still coded to you indefinitely, okay? So forever. As long as Multiple Income Funnel keeps creating emails and following up, you're going to be able to have your links automatically coded to you, so you're going to be able to make sales. With these results right here, okay, this just deposits every single Friday, okay? So this hits your account every single Friday as you make sales. Now, this was from Traffic Authority, okay, which is very, very high converting. And that brings me to my next point. You may be watching this video very closely. You go, Garrett, look, I've seen your other videos of Multiple Income Funnel. Maybe you're a member at the first income stream, but you don't know how to get traffic, right? You don't know how to get people to actually see your website, because with this system, that's all we have to do. You don't have to worry about following up. You don't have to worry about selling people. You don't have to worry about getting on the phone and overcoming objections and all that typical sales jargon. You don't have to deal with any of that garbage. All you have to do is get people to your website. Now, again, you're probably thinking, well, how do I do that? Well, the cool thing about Multiple Income Funnel is a couple things. One of the income streams, okay, so if I log in, one of the income streams here is Traffic Authority. Traffic Authority is an incredibly high quality source of traffic that you can literally purchase and send people to your link. Okay, so it's literally people that have raised their hand virtually, right, and said, look, I'm interested in joining an online business. That's the people that you can get access to with Traffic Authority. Those are real people that you can purchase traffic, and those people will see your website, okay? So it's very high quality. That's paid traffic, but maybe you invest in the first stream, second stream, third stream, and by the fourth stream, you don't have a lot of extra money to buy traffic, right? Well, what you can do is you can actually go to resources, okay? And they have different training, okay? So you can actually go here and you can go to Marketing System Success Training, and they have all this different training, okay? You can go to traffic training, and they have training on, your warm market, how to do drop cards, placing ads, following up, right? If you want to follow up yourself, they have all this training so you can also get free traffic. So I just wanted to make this update video to, silence all the questions. Garrett, are you still doing Multiple Income Funnel? Are you still, doing marketing? The answer is yes, but once you set this up, you can literally spend about 30 minutes a day, travel. Okay, if you have a desire to travel, I've been to Brazil now, I'm in Colombia, I've been traveling Latin America, enjoying the beautiful sights, the beautiful people, right? And it's just absolutely incredible, okay? So if you're watching this video and you're serious, right? Because success loves speed. If you're serious, go down below. And I want to say something to the people that are skeptical and say, oh, of course you're making money, you have a following, or, oh, maybe you're special or you're lucky, or, it's not going to work for me. If it sounds too good to be true, everyone would do it. All these BS excuses that people use to stop themselves. What I want to say is, look, 5 years ago, I was struggling. I was broke. I was a waiter at Chili's. Okay, I remember coming home at the end of my shift. I was pounding the keyboard. I was trying to figure all this out. I spent years failing, okay, because I had to create my own website. I had to create my own emails. I had to do all this that you get done for you when you make the decision to join today, okay? So go down below. Once you're in your back office, start setting up your income streams. You can join our Facebook community with, thousands of people, very, very helpful people. And I really look forward to seeing you on the inside, my friend. Take care, and I'll see you at the top.